So I want to talk to you today about this SanDisk 256 gigabyte backup drive for your iPhone. It's fantastic. It's got one side is a lightning cable and the other side is a USB-C. It's made out of metal construction, the device itself, which I really love quite a bit. It's made quite well. You can see everything has a nice cap on it. Take the cap off and there's your lightning cable on one side. And it's really smart. You just spin it over and you can see here USB-C. So basically, once you transfer everything to your phone, you can actually transfer everything to any computer you want. Super simple to do. So all you have to do is basically plug it in and download the software, the SanDisk software itself, which is really easy to do. Go on the iOS or Android if you buy the Android version. And you can just download the software. Easy to do. Pick the folders that you want to do. It's going to prompt you what to do exactly. It's super, super easy. Basically, it tells you here that you got 256 on your drive. I have a 256 phone, so I want to move things over. Really, really easy. Just pick what you want and downloads it right to that flash drive, just like you saw there. So you pick your files. I have some videos that I want to transfer over. It does it lightning fast, really quick. I absolutely love the quality of this item. You can see it's transferring right here. Really fast, right from my phone, and then I just take it out and I'll actually pop into my computer and you can see the files in 1 second. But I really definitely recommend this if you're looking to back up your phone. Everyone's online doing social media and learning different things, and I think this is a fantastic option. I plugged it into the computer. Here are the files, and that's it. It's that simple, guys. It's just not any easier than that. So I definitely recommend this SanDisk 256 gig drive. Fantastic. Highly recommend it.